have some really important news that we want to share with you, our biggest news of this year. But first, we are actually on our way out the door because we are going to be heading somewhere really cool, something we've never done before, and we're really excited about this. It's something that I've always wanted to do. We are going to be going up to the Boise National Forest and picking out our own Christmas tree. So we are going to just like park on the side of the road and go hiking in this beautiful forest and find the perfect tree. And we can have it as, it can be literally like 12 feet. We can have a 12-foot tree. We are gonna be going with our friends, and it's just gonna be a fun experience, great memories, and it's gonna be cold. A lot of snow. I'm hoping for a lot of snow.
Very dangerous.
It's gonna be very dangerous.
I don't know why we're doing this.
Mike is scared.
We could just go to the local store and go pick up one that somebody already cut, but what's the fun in that, right?
This is gonna be the best experience ever. I've always wanted to go to a forest and just pick a tree and chop it down.
Or I prefer to be indoors with controlled climate, you know, you just turn the air on to 70 degrees and I'm good, you know? But these crazy winds and icy roads, not my thing.
We got our hot cocoa, our thermal cups, or I don't know if they're called that, but our hot cocoa's in here, and it's gonna be making memories.
Savannah thinks this is gonna be like a dream when we get up there, but I'm telling you, let's see what happens. We got the Sequoia crew coming along. Woo woo! We came so prepared today. We got a...
They said reception's gonna be bad.
Yeah,
What?
so
Wait,
just turn it on and we're on one.
Okay, how do you turn it on? Teach me. This one.
It's just like any other walkie-talkie that's been made the last 100 years.
Yeah, so, and then
Well, we'll follow you guys.
Are you sure you want it? Are you sure? We're committing to the 2-hour drive.
2-hour drive. We're even driving further than we thought now, so what could go wrong?
loud and clear, over and out. You ready? Are you guys ready? Woo! We just hit inside the mountains. We are full on doing this.
A lot of dangers out here. My car's only 2-wheel drive, so if we get stuck in the snow, we have our walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkies.
Can't trust those satellites.
Nope. And we have the map.
Yep.
Because they say GPS doesn't, a lot of times, doesn't work in the mountains.
And guess how much the permit was to cut down your own tree?
Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. We bought this permit online for $12 for any tree from 1 foot to 12 feet. Any tree you want.
From 1 foot. That's pretty amazing because last year we went to like a tree farm.
Yeah.
And I think it was like $150 for a tree. So 12 bucks? Yeah.
What did you say?
I said, I don't know if that's water or ice on the ground, but you guys need to be careful because your tires are a little baldy. Baldy. That's true.
You know, I thought it would be fun to open up a Christmas gift. But that's going to be for a little later. And we're going to open a little present.
Okay.
Okay. Brought some Christmas gifts. We got a hazard ahead.
Watch for eyes. Great. Don't go too fast, David. We're not going to get there if we're all dead.
Slipping and sliding.
Look at this stable. Isn't it so cute?
Let me see. Let's look at it. It's so cute. Oh, look at that.
It looks pretty stable. mean, this is bad.
This is epic.
All right, wait.
This is the end?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, this car's dirty.
There is nothing past this point.
Should we just park right here on the right?
It is slush. This is so slippery.
Whoa. Oh, wow, I didn't know my car was that dirty. All right, you guys, it is just way too snowy here. My car cannot handle that kind of snow. Ugh, we're so close. Look at this. So we're not allowed to get trees unless it's in the Boise National Forest. And what would you know? Boise National Forest right here. Oh man. This is crazy. If we could just get ourselves one of those. That's all I need right there. Do you have any of those for sale around here? I don't think I've ever been around trees so big before.
Hey, Jirah, you need a hole. No, wait. Are you ready to find a tree?
Is my nose red?
Jirah?
No, it's white.
Look, I'm not there.
Jirah's gonna take you. It's a nice little spot we have here. Do it. Oh my god! Get him! It's super deep.
That's so scary.
Ah!
Come here, Jirah. I'll help you. Yay!
Oh! That looked awesome! Alright, don't hit the sign!
We're gonna hit the pole.
Oh, that's a good spot! I really want to find the tree. And trees over here, but... Oh, that's all private property right there. So can we go that way? Off by the river? I don't like this type. I like these. So I want to try to find a tree that looks like this. Not that one. What's the plan?
Well,
Can we go into the national park?
I don't know. I don't want to go in there. I heard there's.
I want to walk.
I heard there's like grizzly bears and stuff out there.
Mike, then we're gonna have to take him out with our bare hands.
Oh.
You can go. That's so crazy. I've never felt stepping into like 1.5 feet of snow. Feels kind of cool. I think we tried, but there's just not really much hope here. Because I think on this side of the it's somebody's property. And then on this side over here, it just dips down into a river. So it's not looking too good. All right, looks like Savannah's determined.
I am. We won't be gone long. Send in rescue.
Yeah.
Bring your walkie-talkies.
Oh yes, bring the walkie-talkie.
Babe, what if you run into like Sasquatch or something?
Oh, I know how to deal with it.
We'll keep you guys.
Babe, I don't.
No, just let us go, just for a little bit.
All right,
Okay,
well.
take this. Jirah's taking that. We'll keep in touch.
Roller.
Can you guys hear us?
Nope.
No, I can't.
This is crazy. I mean, I'm happy with just turning around. You know, this was a good adventure, but people like dangerous things, you know? All right, girls, we're giving you 10 more minutes. Better hurry up.
We found another family cutting a tree.
They found another family cutting a tree. All right, we'll make friends with them and ask them what we're supposed to be doing.
Ask them where they came from.
Our family was 2 little toddlers. Come on.
Sounds dangerous.
I'm glad you brought some water.
Yeah, there's only this much. We have to ration it among us.
We're not gonna. Well, we have snow. We'll melt
Yeah,
snow.
we'll eat snow.
Dude, what do you think? Come down the road more and go to the left. You're not near the road. We're right under you. We're right under. Wait, where
There they are, right there.
Wait, where is he? I don't see him.
We see you guys. Those trees look pretty big.
Small one.
Say pack of wolves at your north.
Is that a pack of dogs on the top left?
No, but there are bear claws on some of the trees.
That's great.
No, I want to go down in a little bit.
Oh, they found the tree, Noe.
This is a tree country.
You ready to hear the timber?
Oh, it fell. Land of the tree.
Two, three, throw. Woo! Beautiful tree. Woo!
We just need to prevent it.
I know, look,
Oh my word, it's touching the ceiling. Babe.
Dude,
You can't even see.
dude, I'm not cutting that. Let's cut it a little bit. No, I think it's hilarious it's touching the ceiling.
Babe.
Dude, I'm leaving it touching the ceiling.
Oh my. Babe, this thing's huge.
Right, it's 12 feet.
That's-
The ceilings are
all
12
right.
feet. This is a
I'm
12
sorry,
foot
but-
ceiling.
I don't even think that's 12 feet.
It's 12 feet.
Well, we have some pretty big news to share with you. Life-changing news.
Hold on.
What?
I wanted to give you something first.
Well, Savannah's had this with us for a very long time, and I don't know why you're giving me this while we're here, but I guess I'll just go with it. Kind of like how I've been going with everything today.
Listen, I tried to give it to him during our trip, and we were just so busy, so I
Yeah.
never got a chance.
Oh, wow. Look at this. This looks just
Did
like
you know
the
I made it?
Nuh-uh.
Yes, because I couldn't find anything that looked like our car.
You made
So
this?
I found scraps of and painted it.
Look at the details. She even put
So-
the rack. The
Yeah,
rack's
I
on
know.
top.
I didn't have like enough wood, so the rack looks different on both sides. But
Now the tree isn't up to size, but we'll give her a break on that. No, that's
but
so
I had
awesome.
to make it because I couldn't find
You
the
guys.
right ornament. Oh, look on the bottom.
Oh, wow. Look at that. She has in detail.
Sure.
You guys,
So
this
that-
is like our
yeah.
whole video wrapped up in
I
one
know.
Christmas ornament.
I know.
That's so cool.
I wanted to remember our little outing, our special.
Aw,
Yeah.
that's awesome. That's so thoughtful. Thank
Oh,
you.
I'm glad you like it.
All right. Well, on that note, we have some news to share with you guys.
Yes, we do.
The news we wanted to share with you is that at the end of this month, the Moores are moving out of this house and we are going back to California.